So let's talk about how you're going to be able to get your businesses out there exposed to other income opportunity seekers or network marketers, because I know that's something that everybody struggles with. We've all been there. It is a struggle. And I'm here to offer you a powerful system that you can customize and hand out for free, because we're giving giveaway rights and branding rights to this system. So what does that mean? It means that this is your turnkey system. This is your lead magnet. And that's powerful, that's valuable, because we know that giving away stuff for free in this space is what people really are ready to take action on. It's very hard to promote your business, obviously, because naturally people would be skeptical if they are required to part with money. They're required to get out a credit card or whatever. But with this, the whole barrier, the whole resistance is non-existent with this, simply because people are open to looking at something for free because they've got nothing to lose. And when there's some serious value in this, then great, they're willing to check it out. And that's what this video is about. So you don't actually have to waste your time coming on the inside to see if this is actually a good fit for you, which I know it will be. You can see it right here in this video. So first of all, my name is Edward Keat. I'm really excited that you're on this video. Give me a like, subscribe to my channel. That really helps the channel. This platform is MLM Lead Pro, and I've been running this platform for many years, but this particular version of this platform launched this time last year, and we've got many thousands of members using this platform. It's a lead magnet. You can share it out there. It's easy to share because it's got huge value, and people will see the kind of lead magnets or pages that you're sharing out and think, that looks like a nice tool. What's that about? Or people are going to see the stuff that you're sharing with this, because we've got some nice premium marketing tools for you. I mean, check this out, for example. Some of these tools that you can share out, full-blown share code library. You can rebrand this and share it out so that your people can see that. So you can preview it and see what it looks like on the inside. And then obviously what you're sharing out here is you're sharing value. That's what I'm talking about. Lead magnets, guys. It really does work. People love to see solid quality value. And that's what I'm showing here, simply because when you showcase this kind of stuff simply by promoting it without having to know how to do any of this stuff, because it's all done for you, then you're just going to get people coming through your links. That's what it's all about, getting eyeballs onto your links and being able to share good quality stuff with your viewers, so that pulls them in. That's what we call a lead magnet. And there are a lot of these that you can use. And we've got so many different libraries of premium tools that you can use. We've got our fast funnel technology, and we've got our landing pages that you can get access for free with a nice library of done for you lead magnets and pages that you can share out with your own links. And you don't have to do much in the way of setting up, because we've got a full-blown 5-step wizard that gets you fully set up in no time at all, within minutes. And then people ask me, well, what about traffic? How do I get eyeballs? Because I don't have a following. I don't get any engagement on social media. I don't want to set up a YouTube channel. Well, great. Congratulations, because you're in the right place. We have a round-robin traffic rotator right here that you can get on, and that will send you high traffic to your website. We've also got a network that you can manage your ads, and you don't have to pay for this. It's like a traffic exchange, and where you earn credits in exchange for getting views. Now, people say to me, well, if people are incentivized to do that, how does that work? Well, guys, the good news is that yes, it is incentivized, but the good news is if you're setting up your ad correctly, and you can get ChatGPT to help you with the ad copy, that's down to you. But the good news is that we have access to AI tools that can write out your ad professionally. And that's what it's all about. When your ad is out there and you're getting exposed, even though they have an incentivized reason to want to click your ad because they know that they're getting credits, if they see an ad that they like, because guys, they are income opportunity seekers. That's why they're here. I join stuff. I do reach out to people, say, what's that about? That looks really good. They tell me, they give me more information. So don't think that just because you're putting your ad out there and you think that people are just going to click on your ad just because they're incentivized to do that because they know that they're going to get credits in exchange. No, that's good exposure in an industry where people are always looking for good opportunity. We're in this industry because we want to make money. And if you've got a good offer, trust me, they will be in your inbox. They will click your link because it works. Now, we've also got the banner advertisements as well. So you can place your banner ads, and also down at the bottom here. We've also got the login ads, and we've got a lot of opportunity for you to get your ads out there and get eyeballs onto your pages. But the good news is that sometimes people struggle because they're not technical, and they worry that they don't have a decent page to get out there. Well, that's fine, because I've already just shown you the powerful done for you pages using our fast funnel setup and fast funnel tech in the pages that I've shown you. These are free, guys. These pages right here that you can set up are absolutely free. So when you come in here, you can open up the library, and then you can choose, you can just click here, use this, and share and start sharing out your links immediately. In fact, you'll have at least one page here by default that you already have available that you can share out. And if you're too scared or too worried, or take advantage of the round robin traffic rotator, banner advertisement, the login ads, you can take advantage of this platform here that exposes your ad onto 3 high traffic websites, not only MLM Lead Pro, but multiple platforms. So my advice is just come in here, have a look around, but first of all, make sure that you absolutely go through the blueprint wizard, because that's the place where you get set up. People ask me, I've signed up, I've registered, what do I do next? And I'm thinking, hold on a minute, you were actually redirected to the blueprint wizard. Why wouldn't you just go through that like most people? So yeah, do that, guys. Don't skip that. That was the very help that you were looking for. So that's it. So I look forward to working with you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside. Just click the link below and let's get you started. Bye for now.